What's up guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be teaching you how to upload or post a screenshot from your games over to Steam, or your Steam profile, completely from scratch. So, without further ado, let's hop in. To do this, it's actually really simple. By default, this should be available to all Steam users because it's tied to the Steam overlay. Now, I personally have mine turned off, but you'll need it turned on for this to work. Let me show you how to check that. Start by navigating to your Steam client, your launcher. Once you have it open, click on the Steam settings in the top left corner of your screen. Hover over the Steam button, click it, and you'll see a drop-down menu with options like Change Account, Sign Out, Go Offline, and so on. From there, click on Settings, and this will open a new window. Now you're in the Settings window. What you want to do is make sure the Steam overlay is enabled. Click on the In-Game tab, and you should see the Steam overlay option. By default, this is turned on. The option you're looking for is Enable the Steam overlay while in-game. Mine is disabled because I feel like it eats a bit of performance, but you'll want it turned on. While you're here, also check your screenshot hotkey. By default, Steam sets it to F12, so that's what you'll be using to take screenshots. As long as the overlay is enabled and your screenshot key is set, you're ready to start taking screenshots. So let's say you boot up a game on Steam and take a screenshot using F12. Now you're ready to upload it to your profile. To do that, hover over your Steam name at the top of the client and click on Profile. Once you're on your profile page, you'll see several tabs on the right side: Games, Inventory, Screenshots, and Videos. Click on Screenshots. In the description, Steam explains how easy it is to take and share screenshots in any game that uses the Steam overlay by pressing F12. You also get 1 GB of personal Steam Cloud storage to upload thousands of pictures from your games. Whenever you take a screenshot, Steam automatically saves it into your screenshot folder, and you'll see them appear here. From this page, you can choose which screenshots you want to upload and share on your Steam profile. Just select the screenshot, hit Upload, and you're done. And honestly, that's all there is to it. Super simple. Hopefully this video helped you out, and if it did, let us know down in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.